So in case you didn't know, we were in the Tenant this morning at an event called the Farchnad, which is a chance for organisations like TBS Company to meet with Tenant members. So how did it go?
It was really great. We talked to members from across different parties about what matters to you as tenants, including talking about the recent flooding from Storm Dara and Storm Bert, but how we can make your communities feel safer and you have more say in what happens in your home.
And I think that's the point, isn't it? We were able to engage with Tenant members, their staff. Some of them want follow-up meetings. We also tested some of the ideas on a manifesto for next year that some of you are at TBS conference will be familiar with. And so it's a great opportunity to engage and talk and represent, as Eleanor says, represent your tenant voice.
And overall, it's all about what telling members of the Senate what you as tenants told us in Tenant Pulse, and that's what we have fed back today, and we hope to see in policies in the future. So,
hope you found this useful. We'll probably do something like this again. If there's things you want us to take forward, let us know. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch.